Hello there, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are taking a quick break from the holiday decorating to do a little maintenance out here in the front yard. We are racing against time. It is about to dip in temperature. We're going to be getting frost. It's actually going to drop down into the 20s right as I'm filming this video. So I had a couple of plants that I needed to get into the ground before the frost. And I also wanted to make sure that I cleaned up the last little bits of the leaves and the front slope on this side and just, do some overall maintenance. So that's what I wanted to do today. So I hope that you enjoy. So the first project that we're going to be doing in the spring is we're going to be doing the retaining wall at the bottom, the same way how we did it on the right hand side. We're going to complete it on the left hand side over here. So I'm going to pop an image up on the screen of what we did this past season, and we're going to duplicate it on this side. Now also, I really want to rip out all of the plants on this side as well as the right hand side, and I just wanted to put in different types of plants that can take full sun, because the large maple tree that used to shade out these slopes was removed a couple of years ago. So I want to remove whatever remnants of plants are still left in the slope. And they also obviously have to be drought tolerant because of this severe slope. The watering, whatever gets watered, it just basically runs down the slope itself. So if you have any suggestions on good plants that I can put into full sun and also that are drought tolerant, please leave it in the comment section. So I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek to the video that I released at 3 o'clock on my indoor channel, which is called Daphne's Indoor Living. We did a beautiful Christmas tree decorate and also an entryway. So if you're not already subscribed on that channel, the channel is going to be linked in the description, and we are in full holiday decorating, and then we're going to go into some amazing indoor makeovers, so you do not want to miss that. And I hope to see you over in the comments on that channel. So definitely some plants that I was thinking of was Nepeta, the same way how we have inside of the walkway, and obviously hosta, but I think I want some smaller hosta, and I need to remove the coral bell that we have towards the top because they are struggling. And I'm just looking to just overall make this space a little nicer. The past owners turned it into a rock garden, so as you can see, there's tons of like rocks that are like embedded. So when I go to plant it, I'm going to have to remove some of the rocks so that I'll be able to dig in the slope itself. But definitely leave me your suggestions in the comments. So the next project that I definitely want to tackle is a month or so ago, I took out the juniper plants that were inside of the square planters, which usually sit on my front porch. And I just basically took them out of the container and I plopped them on the ground. They have not been planted. They're not being shielded at all, and I don't want to lose those plants. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go towards the backyard. I'm going to grab them and I'm just going to put them in a temporary holding spot. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it inside of the wooden planter or if I'm going to put it in the actual ground, but we're just going to head towards the back and we're going to grab them, and then we're just going to try to figure out where we're going to drop them. So these are the two juniper plants that I was talking about. They're covered in pine straw because the huge pine straw trees are right above, and this is where I just left them for over a month. So unfortunately, the root ball on these definitely is too big to be able to put into this planter. So what I think I'm going to do is towards the back fence, I'm just going to dig out a hole there and I'm just going to plop them down in there. As you can see, I have all of the pine straw. And what I decided this year is all of the leaves and all of the pine straw, the same way how we did in a previous video where we cleared off of the lawn and we just blew it towards the back. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let all of this just insulate all of these plants, and then come spring, then I'll do my cleanup of all of the pine straw and the leaves. But for now, it is just going to be able to provide a little frost protection here for these plants in this bed.
You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain.
So that's it. We're just going to water these plants in, and then we are going to go inside and continue on decorating for Christmas. So I just want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Until next Sunday, have a blessed day.